How to create new files in VS Code. So here's how to create new files in your VS Code project. First, you want to open up your project and then choose which directory you want to create folders under. So for example, this 123 directory, you can either right click and choose new file and then basically name your file like this, hello, and then dot and give it an extension. So it could be an HTML file or whatever file you want. You can also select the directory you want and then click on this file icon plus here to create a new file. And then you can also give it a name and make sure to give it an extension so it appears properly like this, PHP. And it's as easy as that. You can create any file type you want, just give it the correct extension. And you can also save your project. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.